with you. In this situation, professionalism and integrity are very important. For example, in our case, we initially reported that the system has a low security risk. However, after presenting to upper management, we discovered that we overlooked the critical issue. An unpatched server that is exposed to the internet. This vulnerability would potentially lead to unauthorized access, or even a data breach, which means the actual risk level should be classified as high, not low. The first step we should take is to verify the mistake carefully to ensure accuracy. Once confirmed, we must act transparently and inform to our supervisor and upper management. So we should clearly explain the nature of the error, its potential impact, and propose a corrected version of the report. Taking responsibility as a team is essential to maintain trust and professionalism. Speaker 2, do you have anything to say?
I agree with that point, and I would like to emphasize the ethical responsibility in this situation. So this error is serious because it could mislead management, especially when it is involved a security issue. For example, if a server is mistakenly reported as secure, it could expose the system to risks like data breaches or unauthorized access. So because of that, I believe that we should be transparent and report the mistake as soon as possible. Because being honest will show the integrity and professionalism, which are very important in workplace. So at the same time, we should also be careful how we communicate this. So instead of blaming individuals, we should also focus in solution. For example, we can explain that the issue may have happened due to time constraint or this verification step. So this will help to maintain team trust. And as Nabil said, we should inform upper management. So before informing the upper management, the team also should prepare a corrected version of the report. So this shows that we are taking responsibility and actively fixing the problem. So overall, by being transparent and solution focused, we can show accountability and strong commitment to improve our work quality. And then, what about you, Secretary?
Okay, just like you said just now, we are a team, right?
Yes.
So, if we are a team, we need to work as a team, right?
Yes.
So, I would like to add from a teamwork perspective. When such an error occurs, especially one as critical as overlooking a vulnerability, it is important that the team works as a team. If we keep blaming each other, the problem cannot be solved. Right? Instead, the team should work together to correct the mistake quickly and efficiently. So we need to communicate with each other. Open communication is the key, where everyone contributes to identifying the root cause of the problem, so we can fix the issue together. For example, in this case, we should implement a more thorough review process where multiple members can verify the risk assessment before submission. This not only helps resolve the current problem and also prevent similar mistakes from happening again. So, do you have any input?